Morning all. Today is 11th May. Time is around 9:46. Market did a very big gap down today. It's clearly trading below previous days ranges, and currently looks like it's trying to establish some lower side ranges. Some good selling has happened. Still continuing to happen, looks like. Yeah, look at this node actually. 1.4K selling was happened. 1.4K lots of selling actually. So that's a big number. I will mark a zone from here. Probably will watch out for any reactions from this level, and I'll just club it along with the VWAP for the day. So that level might make some sense now. All right. Let's see anyway what happens. I'll update if I find some opportunity. Okay. Yeah. It is 11:11 now. Almost like 2 hours. I couldn't find any setup, so no trades punched. Now it's trying to break out on the upside, trying to close above the VWAP's first span deviation. So I'm looking for a call entry now. Just wait for this particular option candle to close. Almost 1 second. Yeah, the candle seems to be good. Oh, that's a good push. Mm, I think I'll go with the full size. Let it give a tip. I'll try to add there. Okay. Yeah, add it. Candle low will be my stop loss. I was actually looking for a short side entry in the morning session actually, but there wasn't much. I mean, I didn't get any setup, so I didn't force any trade. I was just waiting, and now if you see right around 10:50, around that level, it was trying to break away from the view app. So I was just trying to wait and see if I could find some setup on the long side. And finally, I got it now, but not sure. Okay, it's almost coming down. Some good buying has happened at the very end of this candle, which isn't that good because it could also be a trap. Let's wait anyway. The trade is punched, and now only thing what we can do is we can just wait. Friday also I didn't get any setup, so I didn't punch. I was actually thinking of closing the system because it was almost close to 11, past 11. So I was actually thinking of closing down the system. And then the setup has happened actually. Okay, almost near there. So 192.05 is what I kept, where I kept my stop loss. It's almost there. And the current low is 192.1. So it's literally like 0.05 paise. So it's trying to bounce from there. Let's see. Yeah, it is struggling. That was a very good push on the option candle. Uh, After which I decided to go for the entry, and since then it is kind of like not sure is it actually fading it or it's almost near to stop loss point 192, 194. Yeah, if you look at it, it's trying to take some sort of support, but I want to see it sustain above the EMA as well. And if you look at the futures candle, right, the last 5 minute candle, there's so much of buying has happened. But if you look at the reward side, the price hasn't moved much. Technically shows that there's some sort of good absorption happened, absorption of buyers, which is actually not good for us. If they really need, actually, they more and more market buyers, they have to step in now and push the price higher. But it is actually not looking that way. There isn't much buyers coming in now. Yeah, even the selling also is not that great. Not sure who's gonna take the control from here. So we'll just have to wait and see. Yeah, just some 31 lots, 23 lots. These are the numbers being shown from bid and ask side. So that's not like big numbers. And then the price, if you look at the price also, it's still hovering around 194, 195 in the option candle. And the last option candle has closed below the EMA. That's something not good for us. We really want to see them actually above the EMA, but now they have closed below the EMA. So yeah, we'll have to see. 193, 195. Okay, so 130. Some good buying has happened, but price is actually coming down. Again, some absorption happened here. Need little bit of support actually from the market buyers if it really want to go up. There's another issue which is like if you look at last one, two, three, 4 candles, 5 minute candles are like closed green. There is not much of an active retracement really happened. So even if they plan to really go, they might do a little bit of retracement and try to shake off a few guys, and then they make the actual move. If that is happening, not good for us. So it might take our stop loss. Let's see anyway. Okay, the stop loss is gone now. All right, I'll cancel this TP order. That's fine. I think I'll stop for the day. It's almost like 11:18 now. That's fine. Anyway, this was the plan. To 18 point change was the target. Yeah, it didn't work. Sometimes, yeah, it's better not to fight the market and just accept the loss. And let's see how much we closed. Okay, 9,500. Okay. All right, that's fine. I'll take it home. That's fine. All right then. See you tomorrow. Till then, stay calm and trade safely. Okay. Bye bye.